Okay, this is just to demonstrate whenever you have a broken bracket or a pokey wire, what you can do to resolve when you guys are at home until you can get in to see us. So this is a broken bracket, okay? It'll move along the wire as such. So all you have to do is kind of place it in a stable position, get your wax, roll it between your fingers like this.
I like your hat, by the way.
Then over the bracket, whichever is moving, just press it against it like so. It'll stabilize the wire and it won't poke you anymore on your cheek. Other places that can poke are right here in the back where the wire sticks out. Same idea. You're going to take a piece of wax, roll it between your fingers, and then press it over the back so that whatever is bothering you no longer is until you can get in to see us. Remember that whenever you have an emergency, just call the emergency line at the office. Other things we have here are an emergency kit. What it does is it gives you a cutter that will be able to cut the edge of the wire whenever you guys are on vacation or at home or whenever you can't get in to see us immediately.